Happy Saturday, happy June 1st. It is officially my birthday month. My birthday is in the middle of the month, so it's like officially a countdown for my 36th birthday. It's crazy because I do not feel my age at all. I don't even feel like I'm in my 30s, and I don't know if that's a good thing. I guess it's a good thing, right? But I keep thinking of like, what am I gonna do for my birthday? And I have like no idea of what I want to do. I really don't. I have a lot of expenses coming up and I have to save money. So my birthday is probably gonna be like last year and I'm just gonna be home. But it is what it is, you know? We're grown-ups now and there's priorities. It is what it is, you know? I have to prioritize. Sometimes si no puede pasar, like, it's fine. I'm not gonna cry about it. Maybe a little bit, but I'll get over it. But anyways, yeah, it's June 1st. It's crazy. We're in the middle of the year already. My birthday's like in the middle of the year, in the middle of the month. It's pretty cool. I just feel like time is just flying by, and I just wish I could hold on to it a little bit longer. Like, May just flew by and I was just trying to hit the brakes, like, don't end. That's not how it works, obviously. So here's my birthday month now. I'm just gonna embrace it and look forward to what this year's gonna bring. And I'm still feeling like, where did the time go? What have I done these past 30 something years? I don't know. What am I planning for the next years? I don't know. Gosh, I'm in this like stage in my life that I'm feeling very just unaccomplished. Is that the right word? Mondo, how do you feel about Leilani starting her first job today?
Good.
Like, if I wasn't feeling old enough already, Leilani starts a job today. Why must she be a grown teenager? I don't like it. Mondo's like, whatever. She's big. Get a job. He doesn't care. Dads are so weird. Welcome to another day. So, I've been trying to vlog these past few days. This last couple of weeks. And it just hasn't been successful at all. I've been feeling very like, I've just been going through it. My birthday's on Friday. I'm gonna be 36, and I've been like kind of going through my 30s, just, you know, saying like I'm fine, it's nothing. But now that I'm passing like my mid 30s and I'm officially gonna be closer to 40, it's been affecting me. And I don't want to sound so dramatic, but I'm being dramatic, and that's just what I'm feeling right now. And I am grateful. Like, I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful, you know, that I'm here and I'm healthy. I'm just feeling like the number is not matching to anything. Like, I haven't done enough, and it's really hard to explain. But I feel like I can't be the only one who feels like that. I just don't feel like I've done much with my life. That's what's getting to me. Just like adding another year and just getting this old and just not feeling accomplished in life. But then feeling lost and feeling like, so how am I supposed to feel? What kind of life am I supposed to have at 36? I don't know. But in my head, it's not what I'm living right now somehow. It's weird, and I've been feeling very overwhelmed, just very sad, and just like I'm about to just like explode any minute and just like start crying. A bunch of negative feelings all together. And then to top it off, my little girl started her first job today. So not only am I getting old, but my kids are growing up. My daughter has a job. Like, just a bunch of things like I feel like are happening right now that are making me feel like that. My kids are growing up. The school year ended and it just kind of hit me, and I've been just, like I said, I've just kind of been going through life, just going through these days, trying my best to focus on something else. But my boy will be starting 6th grade in a few weeks, and my daughter will be a sophomore. Life is just going by extremely fast and I can't keep up. It's just like slipping out of my hands. But anyways, it is the end of my Tuesday night, and I'm going to wash my face, get ready for bed, and just try to read my book. I have work tomorrow and Thursday, and then I'm off Friday, and I will be back to work till next Thursday. So I'm gonna have a few days off from work, hopefully to take in everything. Okay, it'll slow down a little bit. I'm running out of everything to wash my face. I'm using this to remove my eye makeup, and I barely have any face wash left. I've been drinking so much more water since I got me this cup. But anyways, you know, with my drama and me being sad for now, at least, I'm gonna keep reading. I feel like I am such a slow reader. I don't have like a bunch of time to read because like there's always something going on. So I'm still reading this book, and I am now on I'm on chapter 16, page 177. So far I like it. I think it's really cute, and I'm all about rom-coms. I love like those very cheesy movies, like books and things like that. I'm all about it. So I think those are the only things that like help me just kind of feel a little bit better. And yeah, this book is just, it's very cute so far. And I'm thinking about getting myself a Kindle for my birthday. I keep going back and forth. I have it in my cart and I'm about to like check out, but then I don't, just because like I don't want to drop $150. But then I don't buy myself anything ever, so it's like, it's my birthday, like I really want it, but I don't know. I might just do it and just get it. I don't know. We'll find out in a few days if I ended up getting it or not. But for now, I'm just enjoying my book. I play like coffee shop music, like that jazzy type. I love that because it goes along with the rom-coms so well, and it just adds something to it, you know? So that's what I listen to. I'll put my AirPods in and I'll just start reading a couple of chapters a night. And this is why it's taking me so long to read a book, but I'm just like taking my time. So countdown to my birthday. It's like hours now at this point because it's tomorrow, and I'm feeling a little bit better. We'll see how I feel tomorrow when it's actually my birthday, but I think I'll be fine. I'm just, you know, I'm just being a little dramatic. It's my birthday. It's today. The day is here. I'm 36 today. It's a little bit after 9 and I am on my way to get me a drink. I just ordered Starbucks. So I ordered a matcha with vanilla sweet cream cold foam, and I'm on my way to pick it up. Nobody's awake right now in the house. I've been up since like 5:40. I woke up super early. I cleaned around the house and showered, got ready, and everybody's still asleep. So I decided to not wake anybody up and just go get me a drink all by myself this morning. And I'm just going to try to enjoy my day. I don't really have any plans for the day. I'm just going with the flow, see what happens. That's it. I was putting so much pressure on myself on like what to do for my birthday, and it just sucks. It like made me feel very crappy. I've I've already been feeling pretty crappy. I didn't need that extra stress. My mom's making me some food for my birthday. So yummy. It is now 9:15. We just got home from just being out. Today ended up being a good day. We went to have breakfast at one of my favorite spots. We went to pick up a rental, and then we went to my parents' house. My mom cooked some really good food. My parents got me a cake, then Mondo got me a cake, got flowers, and then we went to Dutch. We went to do some shopping at Ross, and we went to Dollar Tree. My nephew came with us, and we just dropped him off right now, and now we're home. So it was a pretty good day. I was feeling very low energy today, and it wasn't like all that great at first, but I feel so much better now. And just being like around my family and everything, it just felt really good. So Leilani's cat is going crazy in her room right now. But anyways, I'm just chilling right now. But anyways, I'm just relaxing right now. I am so excited. I got myself a little birthday present. It's a Kindle, and I got the case and like a few stickers. So I'm gonna open it in a little bit, just set it up, and I'm really excited about that. Then my brother got me a perfume. It smells so good. And Leilani got me like some mascaras from Ulta and flowers, and it was just so sweet from everybody. We meet again. So I'm officially 36 years old. My birthday was yesterday. I woke up in a weird mood yesterday. I was feeling kind of irritated, or I don't know, just like annoyed. I just felt like I was mad. So like I started picking up, just kind of get my mind off of like anything. My nephew came from Phoenix, which made me really happy. I didn't expect him to be here, but he came. My brother came also, and we had a really nice time. It didn't start off so good, and that's mainly, I blame myself for it, because I was overthinking my age this year. I've never really felt like that. I don't even think for my 30th I felt like that, but this year I was just really feeling some type of way about it. But I'm over it, I guess. You know, there's nothing I can do to stop getting older, and there's a lot I can do to make changes if I'm not happy about something, about what I haven't accomplished. I woke up in better spirits today. I am gonna spend time with my parents and my nephew before they head back home. And I told them yesterday that I wanted to eat an acai bowl, so I think we're going to Robex. I think that's how you say it. We're gonna go there and have an acai bowl. Going to the swap meet. No, we're not.
You could put me in.
Oh.
I did bring one. The lighting. Huh?
Stop doing games.
Yeah, the
We're going to the swap meet. Leilani's gonna brush her hair.
What the? I have a lash in there. Well, it's crazy, guys. And then it was right. I'm gonna buy.
See what we find.
so cool. Are you happy?
Heck yeah.
Put our tacos. More tacos. We are getting ready to start our day. It's Monday. I'm ready. The kids are not ready yet. I'm ready. Leilani is almost ready. Mondo is getting ready too. And we're just here relaxing a little bit. It's a cloudy day in California. We're getting ready to just leave the hotel. Today we're going back home. I think the latest we're trying to leave is like 3. So we don't make it home super late. But right now, the kids want Canes. Out of all of the places we could eat here, they want Canes. So I have been recording random clips throughout like the last couple of weeks. Just whenever something was on my mind, whatever I was feeling, I was recording. And I had a hard time. You know, I've been having a hard time for some time now because my birthday was coming up. So my birthday has passed. I am now 36. There's nothing I can do to stop time. I'm getting older, my kids are growing up, life is just going by extremely fast, and that's just what it is. I was being like extra on my birthday. I was very like grumpy and annoyed at everything, but mainly at myself because I kept feeling like that. And what I've been thinking about is like, you know, I know it sounds easy, like if you don't like something, change it. But it's not that easy, because if it was, then everybody would just change the things they're not happy with and everybody would be much happier or just better in whatever. It is not as simple as saying it, but I can always try, and that's all I can do. I just need to stop like comparing myself to other people and whatever someone else has accomplished, and I pretty much just have to work on myself and figure out what makes me happy, what I want to do as a career, and all of that. So I've just been trying to figure out how to piece this vlog together. It's just, I don't know, it's a little bit all over the place, but that's kind of how I was feeling. I was just all over the place, trying to just feel a little bit better, make myself get out of that funk that I was in. It's okay, I'm here, I'm feeling a little bit better, and I just need to push through whatever like stage I'm in right now, and I know I'll be fine, but it's gonna take a little bit of work on my part.